10 longest rivers in the world, and the shocking secrets they've quietly carried for centuries. These rivers have built empires, destroyed civilizations, and hidden mysteries science still can't explain. Which one is the real king of Earth's waters? Which river has changed the fate of millions without anyone noticing? Stay with me and make sure to subscribe, because this journey will change how you see our planet. Number 10. Amur River. The Amur River, often called the Black Dragon, winds across the border where Russia meets China, creating a landscape filled with wildlife, history, and mystery. Stretching for nearly 2,760 miles, it feels more like a living boundary than a simple line on a map. The river is home to rare animals like the powerful Amur tiger and the massive Kaluga sturgeon, a fish that can reach an unbelievable 18 feet in length. Unlike many northern rivers that rely on melting snow, the Amur is fueled mainly by monsoon rains, which create sudden floods that can reshape its path year after year. More than a political divider, the Amur has carried stories, cultures, and trade for centuries, making it one of Asia's most important waterways. Number 9. Congo River. The Congo River cuts across Central Africa with a force that few rivers on Earth can match. Traveling nearly 2,900 miles, it plunges into deep canyons and swirls through ancient rainforests alive with wildlife. At its deepest point of about 720 feet, it is the deepest river in the world, deep enough to stack several statues of liberty inside without touching the top. The Congo crosses the equator twice, creating a climate that feeds elephants, gorillas, and some of the oldest forests known. With tremendous hydropower potential, the river could one day supply energy to large parts of Africa. Even today, many stretches remain unexplored, giving the Congo a sense of mystery and raw natural power. Number 8. Paraná River. The Paraná River moves through Brazil, Paraguay, and Argentina like a long, slow ocean stretching more than 3,030 miles. It is a river of power, carrying enormous amounts of water and connecting entire regions. Along its path stands the famous Itaipu Dam, a massive engineering achievement that produces almost all of Paraguay's electricity and a huge share of Brazil's. As the Paraná moves south, it meets the Uruguay River and opens into the Rio de la Plata, one of the largest estuaries in the world. Its waters hold surprising creatures, including graceful pink dolphins, while its vast delta shelters countless birds and plants. The Paraná is both a lifeline and a landmark, shaping land, culture, and trade across South America. Number 7. Amur River. The Amur River flows across Siberia for more than 3,360 miles, cutting through wide plains, deep forests, and frozen landscapes. Fed by its huge tributary, the Irtysh River, the Amur drains an incredible 1 million square miles of land. It crosses areas ranging from sandy deserts to icy tundra, giving it one of the most varied river basins on Earth. At its northern end lies the Gulf of Amur, the longest estuary found anywhere, stretching deep into the Arctic. In the 20th century, Soviet planners once imagined reversing the river's flow to water the dry lands of Central Asia, a plan that revealed just how immense and influential the Amur truly is. Today, it remains a vital route for transport, fishing, and remote towns across Siberia. Number 6. Yellow River. The Yellow River of China, stretching about 3,395 miles, is famous for shaping Chinese history and for its destructive power. Nicknamed China's Sorrow, it has caused some of the deadliest floods in human history, including a terrible disaster in 1931 that took millions of lives. The river carries enormous amounts of silt, more than 1.5 billion tons each year, giving the water its yellow color and causing the riverbed to constantly rise. In many places, the river actually flows above the surrounding ground, creating what many call a river in the sky. Over thousands of years, it has changed its course more than 20 times, yet it continues to feed farmland, cities, and the culture at the heart of China's past. Number 5. Yenisei River. The Yenisei River runs more than 3,440 miles through the heart of Siberia, carrying icy waters toward the Arctic Ocean. It connects to Lake Baikal, the deepest and oldest freshwater lake on the planet. Each winter, the Yenisei stays frozen for nearly 200 days, turning into a solid pathway used by wildlife and at times local people. The river supports reindeer herds that travel across the land, and even the rare freshwater seals found only near Baikal. Along with the Ob and the Lena rivers, the Yenisei pours massive amounts of fresh water into the Arctic, influencing ocean currents and even global climate patterns. It is one of Earth's great northern waterways, powerful and deeply tied to Siberia's natural world. Number 4. Mississippi-Missouri System. The Mississippi-Missouri River system stretches roughly 3,710 miles, making it one of the longest river networks on the planet. The Missouri River is actually the longer part of the system, while the Mississippi gives the network its famous name. Together, they drain nearly 1/8 of North America and support countless towns, farms, and industries. Every day, more than 2 million tons of cargo move along this water highway, making it one of the busiest river systems in the world. Known as Big Muddy, the river has shaped American history, inspiring writers like Mark Twain and supporting generations of people who built their lives along its winding banks. Number 3. Yangtze River. China's Yangtze River stretches around 3,915 miles and supports more than 400 million people, almost the population of an entire continent. Flowing from the high Tibetan Plateau all the way to the East China Sea, the Yangtze carries nearly 500 million tons of silt each year. Its waters help grow rice, power major cities, and support trade routes that have been active for centuries. Along its path stands the Three Gorges Dam, the largest hydropower station on Earth, able to generate astonishing amounts of electricity. For thousands of years, the Yangtze has shaped Chinese culture, poetry, farming, and daily life, remaining one of the most important rivers in the world. Number 2. Amazon River. The Amazon River stretches nearly 4,000 miles and carries more water than the next several largest rivers combined. Its basin is larger than Australia and is filled with extraordinary animals such as pink dolphins, jaguars, and electric fish. During rainy seasons, the Amazon grows so wide that it can reach almost 30 miles across, turning forests into temporary underwater worlds. Beneath it lies the Hamza, an enormous underground river that mirrors the Amazon's path in darkness and silence. The Amazon is a symbol of raw biodiversity, supporting thousands of species that exist nowhere else on Earth. It is a river of life, storms, and endless discovery. Number 1. Nile River. The Nile River, stretching about 4,130 miles, flows through 11 countries and helped create one of the greatest civilizations in history. Ancient Egypt depended on the Nile's yearly floods, which spread rich soil across the land and allowed farming to thrive in the desert. Its waters carried traders, builders, and travelers who helped shape a kingdom that still fascinates the world today. Even now, nearly all Egyptians live close to the river, relying on it for water, food, and transportation. From the highlands of Rwanda to the Mediterranean Sea, the Nile remains a symbol of life, culture, and timeless human achievement.